Hi everyone. Today we will be making wine. So for that you need grapes 1.5 kilos, 2 kilos of sugar and 4 liters of water. And most important thing is the yeast. First step, you clean all the grapes properly and then put it in the mixie like that I have showing you. Then crush it for 5 seconds, not more than that. Now once you have done all these things, you need a place to store, and this is what I'm going to use it, and this is called verni. So for you that for to make the wine you need 21 days time, so you can use it either glass jar or the verni. Now you can see we have already crushed the wine. Now I'm going to put this crushed wine inside the verni. Once you have put all the 1.5 kilos of grapes inside that, now you have to add 4 liters of water. Now add 2 kilos of sugar, and one ingredient which I forgot to mention is the wheat. 100 grams of wheat, you can buy it from any shop. Now this is the yeast, half a teaspoon of yeast, and then put little bit of water to and keep it for 10 minutes at least outside, mixing it like that, melt the entire dry yeast properly. And now once the yeast is ready, add directly into the jar. Now everything we have added, take a wooden stick or any kind of wooden stuff, put to stir it. Now first 7 days you have to stir every day once, and after 7 days every 2 days for 1 week, and then you do it after 4 days every day. And just before the 21 days you put your hands inside and crush all the grapes properly. Important thing is that when the wine is ready, you have to use a proper filter to filter the grapes, so that on your drinks the grape doesn't come. After 21 days, once wine is ready, you can take this kind of glass bottle and keep it. The glass bottle is always better than the steel bottle. Don't use any steel item. Now we're going to see it in the 21 days. This is the measurement I have used, so you can note it down for you. Thank you.